Booking an architect online is a relatively simple process. Here are some steps you can do it so. First, research. Do some research on the architects in your area. Look for the online directories on listing that feature architects, such as American Institute of Architects directory. You can also use research engines like Google to find architects in your area. Next, check their portfolio. Once you find a few architects that interest you, check out their portfolio website to see the examples of their work. Make sure their style matches with your taste and needs. Next step, contact them. Contact the architects through their website or email. You can also call them if you prefer. Explain your project and ask if they are available to work on it. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible about the project, including the budget, timeline, and any special requirements. Now, schedule a meeting. Once you have chosen an architect, schedule a meeting to discuss the project in more detail. This can be done via video call or in person, depending on your preference and the architect's availability. Now, it's time for contract. If you and the architect decide to work together, you will need to sign a contract that outlines the scope of project, fees, and other details. Make sure to read the contract carefully before signing it. Now the time comes for payment. Once the contract is signed, you will typically be required to pay a deposit or a retainer fee. The remaining balance will be due upon the completion of the project. Last but not the least, throughout the project, it is really important to maintain open communication with your architect. Keep them updated on any changes or issues that arise and be open to their feedback and suggestions. By following these steps discussed in video, you can easily book an architect online and start working on your project.